A pleasant day, everyone. I am Jeremy A. Cruz from Marikina City, Philippines, competing for a solo writing with senior class with my 2022 Asian Music Program titled That's Life.
That's a life, that's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, you're shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune when I am back on top in June. Oh, I say that's a life, and as funny as it seems, some people get their kicks from stomping on your dreams. But I don't let it get me down, because it's fine, oh, the world it keeps spinning around. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I just pick myself up and get back in the race. That's a lie. Oh, I tell you, can't deny it. Many times I thought of quitting, baby, but my heart won't buy it. And if I didn't think it was worth one single try, I'd jump right on a big bird and then I'd fly. 'Cause I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I just pick myself up and get back in the race. That's a life, and I can't deny it. Many times I thought of cutting out, but my heart won't buy it. And if there's nothing shaking come this here July, I'm gonna roll myself up in a big ball